Hello, Algebra students. This begins the second week of quarter two, and we have two more lessons this week and 1 week from Monday, that is Monday the 26th, there is the chapter 3 test. So the two lessons we're working on, Monday and Tuesday, we're working on arithmetic sequences, and then Wednesday and Thursday is proportional and non-proportional relationships. So then we will conclude the week on Friday with a review. Remember to complete the review and submit your answers before Friday. That way you'll be ready to ask questions in class on Friday and be ready for your test next week. So have a wonderful week. Study hard all week long and over the weekend, and you'll be ready for the test next Monday on the 26th. Have a wonderful week.